Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday. It's about 8:30. I thought I said hello. Still alive. Hair's still getting longer. Beard's still pretty much getting long. Hope all your families and yourselves are okay. Keep in mind that I'm always in Zoom from 1 to 2:30 if you need anything. Also, you can reach me through Google Classroom, email, or yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'd like to give some instruction on how to do today's work. There seemed to be some confusion with the Desmos and the quizzes. The quizzes is like your notes. You're taking notes on the flashcards and then doing the quiz so you can learn some new words that have to do with this thing called transformation. So here it is. It's good to see all of you. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you soon. All right. Why did I choose this Desmos activity for you to learn? I wanted you to explore these three words. What does a translation do to a figure? I'm actually not going to go with the translation first. I'm actually going to go with the reflection. And I'm going to reflect it over that line. See how the line is right there? So we'll flip up. Okay. That will be the first thing I will do. So one of the words you should be learning, or one of the things you should know that could be done to a shape, is rotate it. I'm going to move it to a side just so you can see how it looks. See? That's called a translation. And then you can also do something else to a figure, which is called a rotation. So a rotation turns the figure. So I'm going to rotate it just so it looks cool. But see, when you rotate it that much, then it really... so I'm going to put the dot closer so you can rotate it a little closer. So I'm going to put it even closer so it rotates the figure much closer. Oh, not a good idea, huh? Okay, how about now? There it is. So there's the rotation. You can do this many different ways. You're going to choose your own way. And then go from there. See, that's too much. So I'm going to slide it a little less. There it is. Sliding means translate it. So that's called the mathematical word for moving a shape or an object in life, just in general. Then I'm going to translate it one more time. So it ends up on top of the other figure. And there it is. This is called transformations. You're transforming a figure. Think about life, how we do this daily. We move things, we flip things, so like random stuff, and then we rotate stuff. So that's a new unit, transformations, reflections, translations, and rotations. This activity is just for you to play with them and decide what each one does to a shape. So try to enjoy it. Don't stress out too much about it. It is kind of like a video game, so enjoy. Have a good day. What about the quizzes? The quizzes is like a learning tool. You're learning about these things without knowing much about them. That's the point of these. So I would suggest you do the flashcards and then answer the questions. What is the angle of rotation for this counterclockwise rotation about the origin? Since it went backwards 1, 2, and 3 quadrants. So it's 270 degrees. So that's because it jumped backwards 3 times. Not jump, but rotated 3 times through the quadrant. So if you have 2, 9, under which reflection is 2 to negative 9. So if it's on top of 9 and it goes down to 9, that's over the x-axis because it just changes locations from the top to the bottom. So again, the cards are just like a learning tool. It's okay not to understand some of it, but try to read them, try to understand some of the words, and then do the quiz afterwards. Enjoy. Good day.